78 Zenith System 3 console TV. This uses exactly the same components as the small portable System 3 that you can also see a video of, and the 23-inch System 3 that's out in the other room here. This is a 25-inch set. But this module here actually came from another System 3 portable because there was a problem with the CRT module. I'll have to try and see if I can repair the original one. But the good thing about these sets are, pretty much all the System 3 sets of a given age, at least the ones from the late 70s, seem to be pretty much alike, so that you can salvage components from them. You can swap components among them to get them going. So every time I see a System 3 set, I go ahead and get it, because even if it has a bad CRT or something, I know the modules can be used to get another one of them going. It's got remote control. Here's the remote module, and the module's exactly the same as on the other set. Flyback transformer. And so I'm going to now demonstrate the front view of the set. Here's the back with the Zenith antenna advertisement of both English and French. Here's the maker's data plate, but it's all faded. I looked on some capacitors and I saw a date code of 7842. So this is either a 78 or 79 model. Here's the System 3 console. This control panel is used in both System 3 and Chromacolor 2 sets. The volume control, the mechanical volume control here, is used to set the maximum allowable volume that the remote control will go up to. Here's the channel up and down. It's a varactor tuner. Of course, since we got it on the DTV unit, only channel 4 is going to work. Here's the auxiliary controls.
And I'll tell you, anybody that knows me, including Mrs. Bush, who is a repeat customer,
here is the remote transmitter that belongs with it, but the buttons are kind of funny on it, so we'll go ahead and use the remote control from the portable here to demonstrate it. And this is the same kind of remote as the one at home and the living room uses, except the living room one is actually a Chromacolor 2. There's the channel. The sound from the DTV converter isn't all that great, so we're not getting that much sound.
when
there's the mute. That's got a pretty decent picture. The CRT in this one isn't quite as good as on the other one. I don't think these 25-inch System 3 CRTs are the greatest CRTs. I've seen one that's been really weak, but this one's not half bad. I think the smaller ones probably ended up lasting longer than that.